Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering the 4K IPTV encoder. If you're looking to elevate your streaming game, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the essential steps to set up a 4K IPTV encoder effectively. And if you want the best IPTV provider, check the pinned comment for more information. To start, let's talk about hardware. A great choice is the Blankum UHD 4K encoder, which supports both H.264 AVC and H.265 HEVC formats. These formats are critical for efficient streaming, especially for 4K content. Make sure your encoder has HDMI or SDI input options, as these will give you the best video quality. Next, you need to configure your settings. Set the video bitrate to at least 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. This ensures a smooth transmission without buffering. Pay attention to color sampling. Go for 4:2:0 for a good balance between quality and bandwidth. Remember, a common mistake is setting the bitrate too low, which leads to poor video quality. Now let's connect your devices. Use an HDMI cable to link your video source to the encoder. Make sure the cable supports 4K signals. Otherwise, you might face compatibility issues. If you're using SDI, ensure your cables are rated for 12G SDI to handle higher resolutions without signal loss. Moving on to audio settings, embedding audio within the stream is crucial. Configure your encoder to include audio channels, and opt for AAC format for the best compatibility with streaming platforms. A common oversight is neglecting audio settings, which can ruin viewer experience. Always test your audio levels before going live. When you have everything set up, it's time to run a test stream. Monitor your bit rates and latency closely. Use tools like OBS, Open Broadcaster software, to visualize your stream and ensure everything runs smoothly. If you encounter buffering or quality drops, consider adjusting your bitrate or checking your network stability. And don't forget to explore the benefits of the 2TV store, offering the best IPTV solutions. In conclusion, setting up a 4K IPTV encoder might seem daunting, but following these steps will set you